HBAR is testing a crucial support level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We are getting very close to 900 Telegram members. For those of you that want to keep an update with my charts as well as my trades, make sure to check out the link in the bio. It is absolutely free. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another HBAR analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, I know it's been a little bit since I made a video on HBAR, and realistically, there really isn't much going on for me to continue making these videos every day. But if you want to stay up to date with everyday chart updates, you have the Telegram to look into. Starting off, of course, you can see that 0.068 is a very crucial resistance level on HBAR on the weekly time frame. We saw a beautiful retest opportunity twice and the clear double top confirmation, breaking below our exponential moving averages, and now we are retesting them as resistance. This is not a good sign for HBAR overall. What we want to see, of course, is the exponential moving averages being used as support like we saw over here. But the main concern that I have with this coin, of course, is volume. You can see that the initial break structure towards the upside, we had some very odd looking candlesticks on the 4-hour time frame. Look just how many candlesticks we saw on the 4-hour on this slow ladder case upwards, and then in one candle that whole move set was invalidated. Now we are in a very crucial zone at 0.057, which you can see has already been tested 3 times. If we end up rejecting off the exponential moving averages and another retest on 0.057, then we are looking for further continuation to the downside. The main factor the bulls have to overcome remains to be at 0.06. With Bitcoin and Ethereum seeing some very nice rally opportunities this morning, I am expecting a little bit more of volume to at least come in during Asia hours, but the main area you want to focus on is the exponential moving average. If the bulls cannot break above 0.06 and we continue to reject, we are looking for a situation like this where we saw multiple retest opportunity of 0.06, failed to break above that zone, and then we saw another retest of 0.057. The only difference this time, of course, is if we see another retest of 0.057, I am expecting a breakdown formation because of the fact that we have already tested this level as support so many times. This leads me into the daily time frame as well. Now, looking at the daily, you can see that we were using our EMAs as support with a very nice slow ladder case towards the upside, but now we have actually broken below the exponential moving averages with a strong bearish engulfing. HBAR is one of those coins that, of course, is very notorious for using the exponential moving averages as support for a long-term play versus using them as resistance for a bearish play. You can see from previous price analysis how well this actually works on HBAR. You can see that right here we were using this level as support, pretty much same area of opportunity, ladder case towards the upside. Found a very nice resistance at 0.09, but look what happened once we broke below the exponential moving averages on the daily. We flipped into resistance and we saw a major downwards momentum trade, and this has been a constant thing for HBAR. You can see another example of this right here, continuing to use the exponential moving averages as resistance. Then we switched over, broke above the EMAs, used them as support. That was our long confirmation, which happened recently, but you guys get the idea of what I'm trying to say. Breaking below the exponential moving averages isn't something you want to see when you are looking for a swing trade overall. What you ideally want to use is the major support levels, ideally at 0.05 or even 0.046, which both were tested, but we are not seeing the breakout volume that we need to see usually when it comes down to resistance levels. When you have a major resistance that has been tested multiple times and you end up retesting that same area of opportunity with a strong bearish engulfing, that says a lot about the bullish case scenario. Usually you don't tend to see that strong of a bearish engulfing when you have already done the situation twice. Now, does that mean that is all end for all for HBAR? Not at all. You guys know that I have been buying spot positions on this coin, but what I am just paying attention to leading into today, rather for the next 6.5 hours, is to see whether or not the bulls can try try to reclaim above the exponential moving averages. If this does happen and we end up using 0.06 as support, then we are looking for that breakout trade of opportunity, as that would become the third test. Just like on Ethereum, we are waiting for the third test opportunity, much like the coins that follow is ideally what we are playing as of right now. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 on trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have one.